Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to make deviled eggs. And the first thing you want to do, of course, is hard cook the eggs. Now I do got a video showing you several different ways of how to do that. But in this method I chose baking because I'm doing 24 eggs and that takes a lot of work. And baking takes the thought out of it. And once they're hard boiled, cooled down, peeled, you want to cut them in half and remove the yolk. And set aside. And of course, once all cut in half, shouldn't take you too long. There you go, look at that. And you want to take the yolks, mush them up with some mayonnaise and some mustard. Now I don't really measure, I just do it by eye. It's up to you how much you want or how little you want to use. You just want to smoosh it all together. You can also add other ingredients like spices and whatnot. I'm making this pretty simple. You can even add relish too if you want. Anyway, it's pretty good. But yeah, just keep mushing it up till it's mostly smooth. It doesn't have to be perfect. And you want to, of course, dish it into the half of the egg whites. Now some egg whites are going to be not so pretty, so you don't have to fill those. This way you could have little extra stuff in the deviled eggs. And just keep stuffing them until all the yolk mixture is gone. And of course use the best ones. And try to get it evenly as possible. It doesn't have to be perfect. And there you go. Now we're pasting the olive on it to make it look kind of like an eyeball, but you know, that's just for fun. And of course these are green olives. I bought the pretty sized ones because I'm lazy. And I'll put in the middle of it a little black olive chopped. And there you go. You got yourself some nice lovely deviled eggs. Now I do hope you enjoyed the video. And I hope you enjoyed the food. Thank you for watching.